In this video, we are going to learn how to solve this hard math problem easy and fast. So the question is under probability. Let's get started. The question says, in a group, 40% of the items are red. Of all the red items in the group, 30% also have stripes. What percentage of the items in the group are red and have stripes? Okay, so this question is very easy to solve. Just basic understanding of the probability behind the question are you good to go. And since it's talking about and red and half stripes, so probability of and deals with multiplication, right? Given it is all, it should have involved addition, but since it's and it involves multiplication. So let's solve this. Now 40%, I don't think you need a calculator to solve this. 40% is something like 0.4 of the total items of all the red in the group. 40% of items are red, so 0.4 of all the items. We don't know the total number of items, so let's call it x. 0.4x. okay, that's 0.4 of all the items, x representing all the items. Now 30% is something as 0.3. 30% have stripes, so what percentage of the items in the group are red and have stripes? So 0.3% of the items as well, that's of x. Okay, so I'm now looking for what percentage of the items in the group are red and have stripes. So it would be, to get, since it's probability of and, so you now say 0.3 times 0.4x. okay, or you can choose to remove the bracket and do 0.3 times 0.4x. either way is still correct. So let's punch this in the calculator and see what it's going to give us as outputs. So we have 0.3 times 0.4, so we have the output to be 0.12. okay, so we have 0.12 of x. okay, now this is the answer to this question. Basically, let me show you something. Let me wipe some parts and complete this solution for you. Okay, alright, so guys, this will be 0.12 of x. okay, this time another way you can represent 0.12 something as 12 over 100. okay, times x over 1. okay, presenting as 12x over 100. So this shows us that what percentage of the items in the group are red and have stripes. So this shows us that the percentage of the items in the group that are red and have stripes is 12%, option B. okay, so the right answer is option B, guys. Of 12% of the items are red and have stripes. So this is basically how you can deal with problems with that probability like this. Now guys, if you want to get more information on solving probability problems, I have a detailed recorded video on this. Check this my channel. If you see my videos on probability, watch them, I will be good to go. You get a holistic knowledge around probability. Alright, so but for this particular question, this is the solution. The right answer is option B, 12%. Hope you learned something interesting from the video. Let's go to the video, guys. If you are new to this channel, ensure that subscribe to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. Like, share, and comment on the video. Let me know if you for what you learned from the video. If you seem to have any specific question to ask regarding what I talked about in the video, feel free to leave a question in the comment section below, and I'll be sure to give you a response. Also ensure that parts of the channel membership by clicking the join button, getting people information how to solve math problems you're dealing with. Okay, so having done this, click the link below and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.